just wanted to hop on real quick to introduce this little vlog. It's actually a lot later in the day. Got them two back there. It's a lot later in the day. I just wanted to introduce the vlog. We're doing a this is actually a last minute trip.
Hello.
And we are here at Johnson Farm. Like I said, this was last minute. It's a Wednesday. Came out with my mom and we have the kids here. There's Caleb and my little cousin Dawn in the back. And yeah, so I'm just going to put up the footage that we did here, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video.
Say hi, Dawn.
Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment also down below. Let me know what is your favorite fall holiday. What is your favorite fall holiday?
Comment down below too.
And do what?
And comment down below.
Comment down below.
Which video did you watch first? I don't watch the banner and
Alright guys, you heard it. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Over there.
What are you doing?
Come on. We got pumpkins way over here. Did y'all find? Oh, that's perfect for baby Dawn.
I know. I'm getting it. I got a hole on it.
Oh, it's a hole.
Just hold it.
Yeah, it's a hole in it. Look, what about this one? Dawn, what about this one?
I'll hold it.
Oh, it's stuck.
That's the one bottom.
Or that little one. This one,
You gotta make sure, see, look how that one's right. You gotta make sure they not.
Here at Johnson Farm, doing pumpkin picking, and I think they also have sunflower picking over there. We'll check out. Got my mom, my little cousins, Caleb, of course. Say hi. Got my little baby pumpkin. That's a good one?
I'm gonna get two though.
2? You got money for 2? 2 of them. You got money for 2, girl? No.
Where your money at, Dawn?
Oh, Caleb, that's perfect.
That's a good one, Mom.
Just gotta wash it.
You found the perfect baby pumpkin is.
But it's green.
Oh,
That's fine. Yeah.
It's like a zombie pumpkin. You just can't pick. Girl, you about to break the lollipop. Wait, stop.
You better not get my clothes dirty again. I don't know why I got.
Everybody got a pumpkin? You got one, Mom, or you not getting one? Yeah. I got one.
Are you gonna carve
Look at the yellow one, Caleb. Look at the yellow one.
Wait, I'm Look at the yellow one. Is it stuck by everything?
That's kind of cool.
No, it's stuck by
Let's see if we can pull it off.
I want this. I love this yellow. I'm gonna name it. Lemon.
Lemon the pumpkin. All right.
I have a different pumpkin, and it's yellow. Oh. Well, this is my best friend. This is my best friend.
What is yours name?
Her name is Stella.
Stella? Okay.
Mom, look.
This is a better size.
All right, you carrying that one?
I said my sour too. There's a bee. I said my sour.
That's your one flower?
Yeah.
We're at the sunflower section
Make sure
here.
there's no bees trying to get her.
No bees, right?
I'll take that one.
They don't really have a lot of sunflowers. And a lot of them look like they're dead. They don't look good.
Mommy.
Yes. Which one?
Yeah.
This one? We gotta get the scissors. I think Mama go.
There's
Oh, here.
bee. What's that? I want this. I'm gonna name it Daisy.
Name it Daisy.
Yeah, this one.
That one. What did you find?
I found this.
Oh, nice rock.
I found a little bee. Look, I found a little bee.
Oh, you got some colors in there, some pink ones.
What happened if we put...
Did it?
Oh, I found a lot.
What you got?
Look, I found this.
Back in your day? This how y'all had to do water back in your day? That's what you said. Back in your day, that's how you had to get water. That's what I heard. No. That's what you said.
All right, let's go see what's the animals now. We've been here digging all day. Here, look. Look at that. Mine is hard work. Look, that's what the ones you have to use. Oh, look at all these.
Pull up your sleeves, Caleb.
They found nothing.
That's how you get your water. You gotta pump it. That's much work.
Hey, imagine if you had to take it out.
That's why everybody used the same water back then. The same bucket of water. Yeah. Ew.
All right, come on, guys. We got other things to do.
Y'all staying?
We're going.
What is she doing?
Where Auntie at?
She said she was trying to find me.
Oh.
She works there so she can go in that
They need a haircut or something.
They like being seen apparently.
Can they even see? Look, where his eyes at?
Ooh, look at his afro. Look at his
Look, where are their eyes?
Or is he the rooster? Look at he like
I think those the roosters. They look crazy. I've never seen a chicken look like that. Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't know what they are.
Look at that one. That was a big black one.
A big black one.
Black chicken. All right, Caleb.
That's a really tiny. Go down.
Now move out the way.
What are you doing?
Let's go, pump.
Oh my God!
Yeah. Pumpkin ice cream. It looks like vanilla ice cream. But it's really good actually. And what'd you get, Ayana?
A pumpkin. It's getting a pumpkin root beer float.
Pumpkin root beer float. Interesting.